In every bar, no one around here. see them. I step any way I can. I look away, and there's nothing I can say. I learn to live, live with them. You sisters causing your problems. You sisters wishing you that war. You sisters having in your back, while there's money in your face for everyone. You sisters, you sisters, you sisters. Apá Bilbo Rock, qué placer estar aquí de vuelta.
¡Hey!
La primera vez que tocamos aquí fue hace mucho y la segunda hace otro montón. Qué guay que sigáis aquí todos después de todo este tiempo aquí con nosotros.
En la primera no había suelo.
Ni techo,
Era
había
to-
campana.
Total. Brutal. Lo pillamos ahí recién. Nos falta un poco de Marta.
you treat me so cold. Yeah, you be fucking mad. And however, I love you. I couldn't live without you, girl. Without you, baby, love's not great. I love you, girl. I love us, girl. Get into my car, call me tonight. Oh, baby, roll down the window. Let's go. Hey, hey. Necesito un poco de ayuda. Come on, give me more. You know, you've been pulling around me. Oh! Oh! Oh, girl, I want you, my babe. Come on, pretty hard, let's play. Abuela, give me the love. Come on, just shut up, babe. All right, bro, red one's toe. That's that woman. Yes, you. I love girls. I love her. Girls. Get into my car. Gonna be nice. Oh, baby, roll down the window. Let's go!
¡Qué ricasco! Muchas gracias. ¡Ah! ¡Qué sed, qué sed! Un placer tocar aquí. Ya sabéis, aquí una cosa que nos pierde a los músicos son las cenas. Aquí las cenas son la hostia. Hemos cenado aquí al lado en el Socarrat con la idea de... Nos vamos a meter una cena mediana, o sea, de mediana pequeña, que si es de mediana grande ya empezamos a rozar el Black Sabbath. Toda la sangre del cerebro baja al estómago y tocamos más lento. Pero no. La cena lo estoy intentando, porque es que ha llegado el momento y hemos decidido no privarnos de esta pedazo de cena. Eso sí, el cabrón de mi hermano Miguel no cena.
¿Por qué? Porque el que no tiene que pararse ahí soy yo.
Sí, señor. Y cobra
yo
lo mismo que el resto.
Yo estoy muy responsabilizado por vosotros. Que sois la hostia. Que cada vez que yo bailo un poco y bailáis, me ponéis a 100. Y eso es lo que tengo que hacer yo. Si bailo mucho y he cenado antes mucho, pues bueno, se va por algún orificio. Siempre son muy punks, ¿eh? Yeah. Music speaker, not you and I'm a lucky man. I'm here for fun. I do my best for you. Rock and roll or die. It's a go close here. It's a dimple inside. God love what you want, baby. This is just inside. I'm yeah. I'm a lucky man. I'm here for fun. I do my best for you. Rock and roll or die. I'm a lucky man. I'm here for fun. I do my best for you. Rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll or die. Or die. Or rock and roll. Or die.
¡Hey! Bueno, Marta ha decidido recuperar un par de viejas canciones. Preséntala. Tienes un micro, ¿no? ¿Tienes micro? Venga, Marta.
Una versión, los Dictators, el Haircut and Attitude.
Well, it don't take no melody to make some music history. Yeah, 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 yeah. It don't take no melody to make some music history. I say you wanna rock, get you to the top. You gotta look down, you gotta act up. Now when a fortune takes a spin, you keep shouting, let me in. I don't know what to do, I'm giving you a clue. That you can be the next shot, I'm right there. It's got an attitude. It's got an attitude. It's got an attitude. Can you take this heavy sound? Money brings a lady round. Five white boys making all choice. We got paid from making noise. It's got an attitude. It's got an attitude. It's got an attitude. Yeah. Shit, man. Okay, man. Ari.
¡Ey! Bonito experimento, sí señor, Miguel.
On a trip without a clue, no. I ain't got a freedom. I'm the pusher of the miracle wine. I believe in the lateness and I don't know. I ain't got a freedom. I got a big mouth. I'm only big on. I'm thinking I'm ready. Always crazy, keep on fighting it over and done. I'm so red, I'm looking for freedom. I am ready to interrupt. I'm not finished, always crazy, keep on fighting it over and done. I'm so red, I'm looking for freedom. I am ready to interrupt. I'm ready to interrupt. I'm ready to interrupt. Looking for you, alone on the stage without a cue. Oh no, I ain't got a freedom. I gotta hit you round. I wanna hit you round. You gonna have to know to I'm not finished, always crazy. Keep on fighting over and on. I'm so red, I'm looking for freedom. I am ready to interrupt. I'm not finished, always crazy. Keep on fighting out over and on. I'm so red, I'm looking for freedom. I am ready to interrupt. I'm ready to interrupt. You're gonna have to know love. It's always crazy, keep on fighting out over and on. Looking for freedom, I am ready to interrupt. I'm not finished, always crazy, keep on fighting out over and on. I'm so ready, looking for freedom, I am ready to interrupt. Ready to interrupt. You're gonna have to know. Baby, you gotta give me love. Wake up, baby. What you say is not reality. Show Come on, baby. Never come and say you're sorry. Listen, baby. You do it on your own way. You're special. You shine like a star. I love the way you swim against the tide. You don't need no guide. I'm watching you shine. Come on, baby. Never something that I'm pretty. Listen, baby. Got dirty on your heart. You're special. You shine like a star. For you, baby, there was feeling. I love the way you swim against the tide. You're on it now, guys. I'm watching you shine. I like the way you swim against the tide. You shine, I'm watching you shine. I'm watching you shine. I'm watching you shine. Oh yes, I'm watching you shine.
¡Qué ricasco! Toca una que habíamos pensado en el estadio. Con cencerro. Yo debería entrar ya, pero lo gozo cuando escucho el cencerro.
Yo también lo gozo, ¿eh? Esta es una de las canciones que Fernando y yo tocábamos juntos y gozábamos cuando lo tocaba una máquina de mierda. Imagínate ahora que lo toca Loza, en Loza 1, no en Loza 2.
Lo nuestro es gozar.
Baby, to run. I wanna break out. Break out. There's no distance I should pull me round. I'll feel your best riding into my world. I want you to get out of me. I wanna get out and set myself free. Well, I can't stand you in my life anymore. You've been right, yes, you've been out the door. And I wanna break free. And I'm down, away. And now I wanna break free. There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to wait. And whatever, it's just all about. I don't care, I won't break out. And whatever you had to admit, I don't care. I wanna break free. Whatever, it's just not about. I don't care, I wanna break. What's up? I'm curious. Say you wanna want me, it's to get it today. Don't say you understand me, I'll get me that way. Just want to say you love me, why do you care? Don't care, you said you hate me, I'll make it loud. I wanna in a brush for bread. I don't wanna think in your heart for me. Yeah. Don't say you understand me. You gotta get ahead on. Gotta take on the understand me. I wanna live it on. You want to talk about this. This is my way. You wanna talk about it. How do I care? I don't wanna think in your post-concrete. I don't wanna think in your post-concrete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't say you wanna help me, I don't need it at all. Don't say you understand me, you're just thinking on your own. Just want to judge by myself, how do I feel? Just want to think by myself, what do I care? I don't wanna think in your postcard play. I don't see no sign in your postcard play. Why don't you live? Why don't you answer? I don't wanna think in your postcard play. Yes, in your postcard play. When you cross on the bridge, and you and me, honey.
¡Ah! Puto Pilates del rock. Y todavía queda un poco de cuesta arriba.
¿Queréis caña o qué? ¿Queréis caña o una balada? ¿Es una baladita, Scorpions?
Marta necesita ayuda.
Sí que quieren una baladita.
Marta, en nuestro idioma. Traduce.
Baladita.
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 La tengo.
Pero bueno, es una canción realmente bonita de Marta. Vamos a hacer una canción tranquilita, una baladita.
Esta es una baladita para gente nacida en los 70 que es bastante tormentosa. No hace falta que os lo diga.
Well, I'm done for the day and I'm sure like to stay, but I gotta go outside. I'm the shade of blame, the illness kid, and I gotta go outside. There's no function in a fucking bureau. Street fight, no serious school, there's just no room. Street fight, street fight, street fight. Every step I'm in traffic shots you miss, and I gotta go outside. And all she said I wanna have the show, and I gotta go outside. There's no pass so fast to ride to be home. Street fight, you choose, you lose. Street fight, street fight, street fight. Oh yeah. you like to stay, and I gotta go outside. I know she said I wanna hide in the show, and I gotta go outside. There's no point so fucking around to be home. Street fight. You choose, you lose. Street fight, street fight, street fight. And you got no rules. You wanna watch out, sis. Take a look ahead. You just did mistake. You better watch your steps. Look ahead, take good care of yourself. You got a street fight. Hey, are you there? You there? You dare? Can you do it, the devil is inside you. Break out! Yeah! 7 days, 7 days, take 6 to real. 7 days, 7 days, 1 day to rest. Done, day, 7 days, I go all to done. You take 7 days, I will just want to smash it all. 7 days, 7 days, you build it up. 7 days, 7 days, I smash it down. Reaches I will burn. Look tumbling down. Look up for your face. So watch me racing to the ground. To the ground. Seven days, your promised land. 7 days, 7 days, nothing remains. I will go, so it in your face. But the world got good, you never was the universe. delight. 7 days. I bring the night. I don't let 7 days to. I know what you do. Next 7 days. I will just want to smash it all. To smash it all. To smash it all. I will break your head. I will burn your bridges. I won't stop tumbling down.
Un placer, esto se va acabando. Última o penúltima o antepenúltima canción, eso depende de lo que nos diga nuestro amigo Miguel, el cantante, que es un tipo muy caprichoso. Se esconde en la sombra, cuando llega el momento de la verdad se esconde en la sombra. Miguel, ¿cuántas quedan? ¿1, 2 o 3?
¿Cuántas queréis? Los que sí que estáis en la sombra, ¿cuántas queréis? Ahí estamos. Hey, what you gonna do? Hey, yo! Want to be ignored? Hey, yo! Let's break down this road. Let's try to get the thing. Let's go back to the mountain. Yeah, yeah. Hey, girl, take a bottle, man. Hey, girl! Hey, girl, need a bottle, man. Hey, girl! Oh, what you wanna do. Hey, girl! Hey, you, decoration, hey. Hey, girl! Come on and shake the straight. Hey, guess what you are free. Let's go back to road, the street dryer. Let's fight, get the state. Let's go back to straight to the barricade.
¡Qué ricasco! Otra. Ya sabéis, otra al grito de otra o que no se vuelvan el dinero. Somos muy sensibles.
Claro que sí, u otra, o que le devuelvan el dinero a Miguel. Otra, claro.
Vamos a hacer el típico cuento de irnos al camerino, pillar otras cervezas y salir otra vez.
Es como que, de verdad, perdonadme, pero no sale del corazón. Para eso podemos tomar un momento, coger una cerveza, hacer pis y volver. Y vais a estar igual de fríos, ¿no?
Un placer como siempre. Damos la sensación de que somos eternos, pero es que lo pasamos de puta madre. A veces cuesta un poco, pero esta vida es molona. Viva la vida, el rock en movimiento. Nunca estamos lo suficientemente parados para que la realidad aplastante nos afecte demasiado. Somos una especie de nómadas al ritmo de mi hermano, este campeón que tenemos aquí, que es un puto chiflao, un genio en la sombra, que nos tiene a su ritmo, siempre a su ritmo.
Posiblemente lo que se nota es que soy el que más disfruta de el resto de los músicos.
No, el que es más sexy, no es lo mismo.
Ya, pero mi ídolo eran Rod Stewart y Tom Jones.
Rod Stewart es un puto genio, chaval. Pero a Tom Jones no le llegamos ni a la altura del calcetín.
I wish you here. I wish the Sancho was still wrestling now. He's got a moment there and kick around. Better than there was vampire. Naked ladies and Chinamen. Why? I don't love you and I made. There's nothing I got. will drop by. Oh, teacher, and every night. Oh, why? They no longer move it like that. Yeah, there's nothing that can let me fight. Why? They no longer move it like that. There's nothing that can move it. Yeah, I can't move it. We're living in a movie. I'm gonna tell you a story about a woman I know. Oh, wanna be, yes, and on the wall. When I told you I was sleeping every night, I was sleeping home. No one is good about myself. You turn me in Sheffield Road. With everything I own on my back, I'm sitting on a happy road. And it's a hard road and a trouble. It's a hard road and a trouble. It's a hard road and a trouble. It's down the line. And it's a hard road and a trouble. It's a hard road and a trouble. It's a hard road and a trouble. Yes, down the line. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, when I'm sitting down, when I'm talking about a big kind of thing, can't find myself. Well, I'm doing all the best I do, not the best I can. No, I'm shooting running for myself. I'm getting on a telephone road with everything I own on my face every night. It's a hard road in the trouble. 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 Down the line. I'm a hard road in the trouble. Well, I wanna tell you something about my girl I know.
Es que ricasco. Yo creo que por ahí andamos, ¿no, Miguel? Ya es la hora. Tú que eres el único ser humano que sigue teniendo un reloj. ¿Qué hora pone en tu reloj, Miguel?
Pone la hora de que... Hostia, se acabó.
Se acabó. Es que ricasco. Super noche.
Muchas gracias. Well, I wanna tell you
Bueno,
something.
seguimos
about
todos
a
en
girl
forma,
I
¿no?
know.
Seguimos en forma las tres bandas que hemos tocado aquí. Quien ha pinchado y vosotras y vosotros. Sí, señor, seguís en forma. ¡Viva bailar!
Bilbo
¡Viva
forever.
bailar!
Bilbo
¿Te has dado
rock.
cuenta? Has venido aquí a bailar.